Yo, it's beautiful out here. I think it's like mid-60s. It's quite nice. All right, room with PJ and Peyton this week. We're here for A squad, and I'm actually feeling pretty good. Slept all right. Here at Jack and Jill Lane's, the correct one this time. We're at the right location to start the day. So already off to a high note. I'm feeling good. I think it's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna believe it's gonna be a good day. Let's go check out our starting pair. We'll bowl with Tater. 3 and 4. Hey, we'll bowl next to Anthony too. Nice. Oh, and right next to PJ. And then Peyton. Nice. We're all close. I like it.
Morning.
You get to cross with me today.
Don't judge me.
Judge you? We're betting boba, right? Yeah? Yeah?
No, we're not betting.
Why not?
Because that's essentially just you saying, are you gonna buy me boba when we're done?
No, what if you kick my ass?
Okay.
I don't like the confidence. Or the lack thereof.
This ball's gonna get a lot of use today.
You think so? I hope not.
Ew.
Two-game update. I'm +9 after 2, 205, 204. Not a very good first game. The second game was a lot better with a bad rack on the left lane. So I'm not super happy about how that game went. And then I stoned a 9 on the 9th on the right lane. Had to finish on the left. It gets a little rough when you have to manipulate it to play the rack and not just throw good shots. So 3 urethane the first 2. I think we're gonna go to reactive this game. Seems like a little bit of holds building up. The guy on my pair is 60 over after 2, and he's been hooking it from the start. So I think that's the route we're gonna go for game 3. He's killing his battery fast, which means he's taking a lot of film, I think. So he's doing a good job. But anyways, we're 69 over, 69, after 4. 230 something, 220. Haven't missed the pocket in 2 games. I did 710 game 3 in the middle of a string. That could have been 260. Then I hit the pocket every shot for 220 the last game. So just made a ball change. I got out of the reality. Ball reaction's pretty good, so I'm gonna start looking for some numbers. Okay, those last two games were bad. 260 going game 5, 9th frame, super washout because I felt like they were flat and I fed it to the right and didn't do the right thing with my hand. Shot 210 and then 210 the last game with a 3-bagger to start. I'm doing a very poor job of managing ball reaction. I'm probably manipulating more than I should and I'm very frustrated with myself. This is just not good bowling. We have 2 more games and hopefully we make some better decisions, some better shots, and hopefully the score reflects that. Finished up 270, 230 the last 2 games. We got to 210 over. We're leading A squad by quite a few. So we made some good adjustments. For bowling here for the first time, I'm not terribly mad, but got to clean it up for tomorrow if we want to get this win. 13 more games tomorrow, but where you at? Shout out to my man here for filming all day. This is for you. It's kind of heavy. You might want to. Yeah.
Let's try and pull it out.
Anyways.